come and have a look what we got in here. Yeah, there we go. We have the stunt flying aircraft Cessna 182. This is what I'm going to be doing a quick flight with today. I have flown aeroplanes before, but not like this. Look at the size of that. Look at it. Fits in your hand. Okay, so it's fully charged. I've not flown it before. I put it together. I took it out of the box and put it together. You get everything in the box. Remote control. You get a battery, which goes in there. Which I'll just open and show you. If I can get me nail in. There you go, little battery in there, look. And this is all end of the screws there. Screws there. Supposed to fly in very light winds. Well, today is very light winds. Here is the remote. Look at that. How cute is that? So, this could go very bad, couldn't it? We'll see if it actually flies. Turn it on. There's a little flashing light in there, flashing. Right, that seems to be working. Right. I'm going to point this down. Oh, it's quite breezy. I think it's going to blow away. Right, here goes nothing. We're up. We're up. Up. Got a bit of updraft that, it's going. Oh, you can see it. I'll lose sight of it in a minute. Have to cut the engine, I don't know where it's going now. Can just about see it near them trees. Gone behind them trees. Right. Well, that was a pointless exercise, wasn't it? Let's see if we can find it. Hiya. You've not seen an aeroplane, have you? You've not seen a little aeroplane, have you? No, there's a little aeroplane. Went over there. No. Okay. I've got the remote on and I'm blipping the throttle to see if I can hear it making a noise. If it's gone down in this water, that's it. Gone forever. Easy come, easy go. It was cheap and now it's gone. So, what do we do at this point now? Take the batteries out of this, like that. Put that in your pocket and when we go home. So there you go. There's one for the outtakes. There it was, gone. Hi, hope you enjoyed the video. Please click on the like button before you go, and if you really enjoyed it, you can now click on the thanks button below, which is a new feature. I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching.